Deadweight loss happens when the efficiency of a market is disrupted, resulting in lost value for both buyers and sellers. At its core, this concept describes a situation where the equilibrium of a market is prevented from reaching its full potential. In a perfect market, buyers and sellers trade until everyone is satisfied. When that process is broken, we start losing potential value. Things like taxes or price controls often cause this loss by artificially inflating costs or restricting how many goods can be sold. Compare a free market to one with a tax. The tax drives a wedge between the price buyers pay and what sellers receive. The gap between the potential volume of trades and the actual volume represents the economic value that simply vanished from the system. Economists use this term to measure the negative impact of policies that prevent markets from functioning at their most efficient level. Understanding market efficiency helps you see why certain economic policies have trade-offs. Thanks for watching and keep learning.